Hi, and welcome to the Modular Closets Design Tool. In this video, we'll show you how to design your dream closet step by step. First, you need to select what kind of space you'll be designing. Is it a walk-in closet or a reach-in closet? Next, measure each wall of the closet or space you'll be designing, and put the numbers down in your notepad. You'll need to take the following measurements: your closet height, back wall, left wall, right and left return walls, and door length. Next, enter your closet measurements right here in the tool. You can choose your door type by selecting one of these options. When you're ready, click Create Closet and you'll be able to start customizing your closet with our closet modules. The tool auto-creates a closet design for you, but you can completely customize it by hitting the Towers button. Now you can select the module and replace it with any module you like. For example, I can select this module and replace it with a shoe tower. Now, if you noticed, the live price calculator updated to reflect the changes I made. You can also adjust the width size of your modules. If the tool turns red, that means the measurement is not supported. When you're done with one wall, just move on to the next one, like this. Once you're satisfied with the modules you added to your closet, you can move onto the Edit Components tab. This allows you to add tons of cool accessories and features to spice up your closet. There are cubbies, doors, legs, hampers, wire baskets, and much more. Keep in mind that you can change the view of your closet to see a 3D or wall view at any time. When you're done choosing your accessories, you can move onto the finishing touches. This is where you can choose your closet's finish, handle style, and door style. So, go ahead and customize your closet to your heart's desire. When you're satisfied with your closet's design, continue to review. Add it to your shopping cart and check out.